It's Dave with Regal Fabric here. We're a Boston area cleaner of all soft furnishings. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you a tip on how and why you pre-test a fabric in a hidden area before you attempt to clean it. These cushions came in to our shop recently, and they're just no specific spots or spills, just overall soiling. It's about 7 years old, needed a clean, and the customer decided to have just the seats and back cushions washed. So what we do is, before we clean anything, even if we've cleaned the piece of upholstery before, we test in a hidden area. And on a piece like this, the best place to test is where the zipper is, because no matter how the customer flips the cushion back when she takes it back home, it'll never be seen if something goes wrong. And what we're looking for, the two main things we're looking for in any test, is change to the color. For example, if there's multiple colors, do they bleed together? Or does the color leach off or become faded? And then secondly, distortion to the pile, or the fabric distortion, which means, does it shrink or ripple? If this were a velvet, does it go flat and not come back? And that tells us a lot how we would then use that information to go about cleaning the whole piece. So whether you're spot cleaning or trying to clean a whole piece, always test in the hidden area first. The simplest way to do it on a piece like this is to spray half of this with the detergent you plan on using to clean with. A nice neutral water-based detergent, or if you have a solvent base, that's also appropriate for this fabric, but you should test that as well. So you would apply the detergent here. You would use a horsehair brush to rub it in gently. You would rinse it with your rinse agent. Usually for the homeowner, it's water mixed 1-to-1 with white vinegar. That's 50-50 each. And with warm water, you can rinse it. We have other videos to show you exactly how to do that. You dry it quickly with an ear mover or a fan or a hairdryer, and you look between the two sides. The side you didn't clean and the side you did clean. If there's significant changes between the two, then you pretty much know that that's going to happen out here. And you have to be able to live with that, or you should not go forward with the cleaning, or maybe try a different detergent, or switch from maybe water-based detergents to solvents if you have that capability. Any questions, any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, we'd appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.